Now let's assume that we've all organized our procedural order. We already know who is going to be doing what at which date. We have got all the pleadings in, the bundles in, and we are now also having organized the physical hearing location. We are here now. It's 9:30 in the morning and it's the first day of the hearing. What's going to happen? Usually then, the claimant will open their case. Now, some tribunals will require the party to have an opening statement. And that opening statement would be to basically summarize what their case is about so that it forms like an overall roadmap to the arbitration and the issues in hand. Once that is done, then the witnesses are starting to be called.
Now, adjudication is a form of dispute resolution method where an independent adjudicator resolves the disputes by providing a determination or a decision. Now, that is very different from a settlement agreement that you enter into in a mediation, or an award that is made in an arbitration, or a judgment that is passed in court, right? And effectively, the adjudication is a provisional, impartial assessment based on the parties' submissions and evidence that they provide. And at the end of the day, it may not alter the final contractual positions of the parties. It will be essentially about an issue that they raise.
I'd now like to say a few words about some of the fundamental values of mediation, because even though mediation may have different objectives, even though we can have different approaches to mediation, there needs to be some core values of mediation, something so that we know that this is mediation and not arbitration, or not neutral evaluation, or not another form of ADR. So I want to identify what I see as some of the values, core values of professional contemporary mediation. And the first one I'd like to mention is impartiality. The second value I'd like to talk about is confidentiality. The third principle or value underpinning mediation is that of party autonomy. The final value of mediation that I'd like to share with you is that of non-adversarialism.